The first instance that comes to mind is the infamous Volkswagen scandal of 2015. This automotive giant, revered for its engineering prowess, was found guilty of manipulating software to cheat emissions tests. This blatant misuse of technology not only deceived millions of customers globally, but also contributed to environmental pollution. It was a classic case of technology being exploited for corporate gain with utter disregard for ethical standards. Moving on, let's delve into the pharmaceutical industry. In 2017, a renowned healthcare company was accused of using predictive algorithms to inflate the prices of life-saving drugs. This blatant misuse of data analytics led to soaring drug prices, making essential healthcare inaccessible for many. It's a grim reminder that technology, when wielded irresponsibly, can lead to societal harm and exacerbate inequalities. Next, consider the case of Cambridge Analytica. This data analytics firm exploited Facebook's user data to influence the 2016 US presidential election. This misuse of digital technology undermined the democratic process, manipulating public opinion through personalized ad campaigns. It highlighted the potential of technology to subvert democracy, casting a shadow over the role of social media in society. In the world of finance, we witnessed a shocking misuse of technology in the 2018 Wells Fargo scandal. The banking giant was found guilty of creating fraudulent accounts using automated software. This misuse of technology led to financial losses for countless customers, tarnishing the reputation of one of America's largest banks. It served as a wake-up call, underlining the need for stringent regulation and oversight in the banking sector. Lastly, let's discuss the misuse of artificial intelligence in the recruitment industry. Some companies have been accused of using biased algorithms to screen job applicants, resulting in discrimination. This misuse of AI technology raises serious questions about fairness and equality in the job market, emphasizing the urgent need for ethical AI practices. In conclusion, these case studies show that technology, while a powerful tool for progress, can be misused in alarming ways. From cheating emissions tests to inflating drug prices, manipulating elections to creating fraudulent bank accounts and fostering discrimination in job recruitment, the misuse of technology spans various industries. It underscores the necessity for ethical guidelines, regulatory oversight, and public awareness to prevent such misuse in the future. Technology should be a force for good, driving positive change and fostering growth. But for this to happen, industries must wield it responsibly, prioritizing ethics over profits and people over algorithms.